Hello guys and welcome back to MicroStrategy administrations class, and in this video we are going to learn how to configure an account security policy. And with this account security policy you can enhance the security of your environments, right? To configure your account lockout policy and other policies into your infrastructures. So before starting these videos, please subscribe the channel and help us to get the 5,000 subscribers. Thank you. And let's start with our practicals in this class. And to complete this class, you need to log in into your MicroStrategy developers, and under the developers, you need to log in into your MicroStrategy and Analytics modules project source. And then here you need to right click on the project source, and you have the options to configure the MicroStrategy intelligence server, to configure or make any changes into your intelligence server. So I'm going to click this configure, and you will get this window open for to configure or made any changes as per your requirement on your intelligence server levels. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to change some log after like the fail attempts. I'm going to change some password policies here. So so let's go to here, and under configure. Here we have the server definitions, and under the server definition we have the security, and under the security you have the options to configure the account lockout policy, enforce password complexity, authentications policy. You have a lot of options here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to say, hey, lock after, just after 2. If there are some any, if you type the password wrong twice or just 2 times, then your account's going to be locked. And here are minimum number of characters. I'm going to type, let's say, 5. I'm going to enter it 5 here. And then you have the options to minimum numeric character at least 1, and special characters or 1, and you can do as per your requirements and whatever you just want to, let's say, the uppercase, lowercase, or any special characters or any number of the character changes. You can do them, do all the things here in this. Right click your project source, go to the configure MicroStrategy intelligence server, and expand your server definitions, and under the server definitions you have the security. Okay, and then here you need to just hit OK. So I have configured the security policy at my intelligence server level. Now let's go to the users manager under the administrations, then go to the users manager, and we have the two groups inbuilt, that's the everyone and the MicroStrategy groups. And under the everyone groups, I'm just going to find out one users. Let's see if we have it here or not. That's the developer. You can see it here. We have the developer one, only the developer. And here you need to just, I'm just going to change this developer password to something else. So let's go to double click, sorry, I'm just going to double click them, and you can see it here. It will be the user editor window will be open, or you have other options as well. If you just hit edit, and you can see the same windows here. So here I'm going to change the password here. Let's say anything, you can enter any password as per your policy. And then you have shared the passwords for your users, and then you can hit the OK. Let me just do it. So I have done them. Let's me disconnect from this project module, and I'm going to use my developers user and the password which I just set. H-E-O, and let me try. So now you can see we can log in into the into the project, into these developers tools, and with our users. Uh, that's the that's the developer users, and but the developer user doesn't have any access for the administration stuff. So that's why the users cannot see any administration tab here. So if you just want to test them again, let me just disconnect it here, and I'm just going to use a wrong password just for a try, and it will give me the error that a different password is used by another connected data source. If you are sure this is the new password to log in into, disconnect the data source and connect it again. So you can see you will get the error again and again. You cannot log in into log in with the wrong password. So I have tried twice, and as per our policy, it should be log out, right? Let's see, and let me log in into my MicroStrategy tutorial project with my administrator users, and then we are going to take a look this developer users under the users manager group, everyone groups, and let's see where is it. It's that's here. Let's go to properties. uh, Sorry, then let's go to edit here. Okay, it seems it's not the account is not log out. Let me check my policy once again. To go to configure analytics services, go to security, and lockout failed attempts after two. That's fine. I'm just going to click OK. It seems fine. So let me do one thing. I'm just going to create one user real quick, and then I will test them. Right. So I'm going to use it test users, and then I'm using the password here, and user cannot change the password, and that's fine. That's all I need it right now. Click OK, and I'm just going to connect with that user. That is my test user, and I'm going to use uh, the right password first time. So we don't have assign any project source to this project, this to this users. That's why it's saying here no projects there. Now let me try with the wrong password. Login failure, and then I'm trying to again login failure. So I've tried it twice, and let me go with administrations now. Administrator users now. Then it's account this account the test user must be disabled now as per our policy. Go to everyone, and let's see here. That's the test user. Uh, and now you can see that this account, the test user, that's the account is disabled here. You can see it in this window, right? So that's how your account policy basically works. And if any user is going to be attempt twice, more than twice, then his or her account going to be disabled, and then he or she need to reach out to your administrations to unlock these accounts. So this is the process how you can use your account policies to more secure your environment into the MicroStrategy infrastructure. Okay, guys, and thank you.